Open the browser and enter the URL as www.ccmspb.gov.in. Then you see the court case monitoring system landing page over here. Court case monitoring system facilitates departments to manage and monitor court cases in different courts. It also helps the departments to track the cases, prepare cause lists, maintain complete history of cases, including follow-ups and other activities. In order to log in to court case monitoring system, here we need to enter the username. As you can see, I have entered NIC admin. Then you need to enter the password over here. A password must contain a special character, a number, a capital alphabet, a small alphabet, and it's also case sensitive. Then enter the CAPTCHA over here and click on sign in button in order to log in. In case you forgot your password, you can go to forgot password button and can reset your password. Also, in case you face any login issues, please clear browser cache and history before logging. This is the graphical dashboard of court case monitoring system. Here you can see the summary of cases, a total case, pending case, and disposed cases. In the cause list, this list show the next 5 days cause list information of cases. Then the deadline cases list show the details of cases with deadline expires in next 15 days. In the stay order expiry list details of cases where stay orders expire in next 15 days. Replies to be filed show details of cases where reply needs to submit in next 15 days. Then you can see the current month statistics and the current year statistics over here. Then there is the monthly transaction details of the current year. Then we have analytical dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see the case details. This shows the case information of total number of cases, pending cases, disposed cases, and cases entered on current month. You can click on the count below and see the details of the cases like this. Here you can see the detail of case, the court, case type, case number, year, department, and office and branch. Then the petitioner detail, respondent detail, and the summary. Then in analytical dashboard, you can see the compliance detail from case proceedings and the department and court wise total cases.